In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to Amazon. This is a handy feature that lets you seamlessly integrate your credit or debit card with your Amazon account, allowing for a smoother shopping experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Here, sign into your account with your credentials. It's imperative that you have access to your account, so make sure to check any saved login details if you're having trouble. Once logged in, you're at the starting gate, ready to set up your payment methods. Next, when you're on the Amazon homepage, cast your eyes toward the top right corner of the screen. Look for the option that says Account. It's usually part of a drop-down menu associated with your profile name. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring you to a page tailored with your account settings, where you can manage everything from orders to payment methods. Once the account page opens up, find the section labeled Your Payments. It should be prominently displayed, often towards the middle of the screen. Click on Your Payments. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you will manage and organize your payment preferences for Amazon purchases. After clicking Your Payments, look for the button marked Add a Payment Method. Selecting this option will take you to a page where you can choose how you'd like to fund your purchases. It's worth noting here that Amazon supports various payment methods, making it quite flexible. Upon entering the payment method page, you'll be presented with different choices. Click on the option that says Add a credit or debit card. This is essential because technically, even though you're adding a bank feature, you still need to add your card details first. Select this option to proceed further. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This is the critical part. Carefully input the credit or debit card information that you intend to use on Amazon. Make sure the card is valid and that you double check for any typos. Inaccuracies can disrupt your payments down the line. Once you are confident that your information is accurate and complete, look for the button that says Add Your Card and give it a click. By following these steps, you've successfully added your bank account to Amazon, thereby linking your card to your account. This setup allows you to easily make purchases, manage returns, and keep track of your spending, all in one convenient place. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the ease of shopping online with your new payment setup.